one multiplexer where we have three switches S2, S1, S0 and R and 8 data lines which is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So here you can see this switches when you put your input 0 0 0, then your data will go through this D0 data line. When the switches will be 0 0 1, then your data will pass through only D1. If 0 0 1 0, then it will be pass through D2. Then 0 in input 0 1 1, it pass through D3 data line D3. Then when the input will be 1 0 0, then the data line D4 will work. Then the switch will be 1 0 1, D5 will work. When the data line when the switches will be 1 1 0, then data line D6 will work. And when the switches will be 1 1 1, then your data line D7 will work.
Today's experiment is about to verify the truth table of multiplexer of 8:1. In 8:1 multiplexer, we need a 8:1 multiplexer. We need a trainer kit of multiplexer 8:1 line. Here you can see we have 8 lines D0, as in 8 lines of logic input D0 to D7, and this is our output Y, and this is Y bar. But here the output will pass from this section. Now we wiring and wiring this circuit to our input section for the experiment. Now wiring this to now we take wire S2, S1 and S0. S0, S1, S2 are switches. Now we see our output. First we take 0 0 0. In 0 0 0, our output will pass through only D0. When we switch D0, then through only D0 the output will glow. Otherwise only D0, you can see the D0 from by D0 path, our output will glow. Otherwise, if we take in 000 input, the data line D1, if we switch, then it will not take us input. Same as we check D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Then we give input 0, 0, 1. Then the data line D1 take 0, 0, 1. Then the data line, the output of data line D1 will pass. Otherwise, none other data line can't be passed. We can check every data line. Only in 001 the data line D1 will pass. Like this, we take 0, 1, 0. Then in this mode, the output of D2, data line 2 will pass. Now we can check other data lines where no other data line will pass. Same as we now 0, 1, 1. Here the data output of data line 3 will pass. No other data lines will pass. Here only D3, not other data lines. We can check. Then we take input are 1, 0, 0. The data line of D4 will glow. No other data lines. We can check. Glow. Only D4 glows. Otherwise, no other data lines will check. Then we take as input 1, 0, 1. Then the data line, now we check D0, no, D1, no, D2, will not pass, D3, not pass, D4, not pass. Then D5, 1, 0, 1 for D5, D5 will pass. No D6, no D7 will pass. Then we take 1, 1, 0. Now we check. Only D6 will pass. No D7. And here we also check other data lines which will not pass. Only D6 will pass. Now we take our output 1, 1, 1. Here check D0, not pass, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, then D7. Only D7 data line of D7 will pass through the output. This is your experiment of multiplexer 8:1 data line. The procedure of this experiment will share with you your WhatsApp group.